Hi guys, welcome to Video Likes, and today I'm going to show you the best workable settings for BitTorrent version 7.29.2. So just follow the tutorial and put in the settings. Now if you're using a lower version of BitTorrent, I would suggest you kindly update your version and then apply these settings. Now I've already applied the tweaks, so let me show you the current download speed I'm clocking on BitTorrent. Now my current internet connectivity speed is 1 Mbps. So here what I have here on my desktop is a torrent file for the movie The Fault in Our Stars. Now this is a 2014 movie with a good health. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start it up on BitTorrent. Now click on OK and the download starts. Now I'm going to check the kind of download speed I am clocking on BitTorrent. Now you can see that the speed is rising. It's now 1.3 Mbps, 1.7, and it's going up. Now it's 2.4. So now guys, you can see that I am clocking a download speed of somewhere around 4.1 Mbps with a current connectivity speed of 1 Mbps. So let me now discuss with you the kind of settings you need to put in. First we need to go to options, and under options we will come down to preferences. Now once you go to preferences, you'll come down to the tab called connection. Now here you will put port use for incoming connections as 45682. Now you need to check enable UPnP port mapping, enable NAT-PMP, and you also need to check add Windows firewall exception. Now keep a randomized port each start as unchecked. Then you go down here to bandwidth. Now under bandwidth you put maximum upload rate. It's given as 0 as unlimited. You put this at 70. Now you come down here to global download rate limiting. Maximum download rate is 0 is unlimited. Here is the catch. Instead of putting it as 0, you can also put it as 0 as the unlimited speed, but it's always good, it's always advisable to give a threshold to this particular limit. So I have put this threshold as 6000. Now you come down to global rate limit options here, and you check the first two: apply rate limit to transport overhead, apply rate limit to UTP connections. Now you come down further and you go to global maximum number of connections, and you put this figure as 200. Maximum number of connected peers per torrent, you put this as 2329. Number of upload slots per torrent, you put this as 14, and you check use additional upload slots as upload less than 90%. You can see that 879 MB file, the download is complete. So it literally took somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes for the entire download. Now you go down to BitTorrent. Now under BitTorrent you need to check all these options except limit local peer bandwidth. You keep this limit local peer bandwidth as unchecked. Now you get down to protocol encryption. It is normally selected as disabled. You just change this to forced, and you check allow incoming legacy connection. Then you leave transfer cap and you come down to queuing. Under queuing you put maximum number of active torrents as 60, maximum number of active downloads as 63, minimum ratio percentage as 150, minimum seeding time, and minimum number of available seeds as 0. After this you are done with this particular tab. You just leave scheduler, remote playback, paired device label, and you come down here to advance. Now there are quite a couple of changes which has to be done for advance. The first change is BT allows same IP. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just select this particular option, and here you see that the value is given as true and false. So by default it is selected as false. Choose this as true. So whenever there is any change from the default value, that will be denoted by an asterisk sign. Now you come down here to BT connect speed and you put this value as 28 and click on set. Now after you're done with this, you come down further. You come down to GUI show no torrent node, and you select this as false. Then you come down to GUI update rate. By default it is selected as 1000. You need to put this value as 2000. Then you go down further and you come down to net max half open. Now this is a vital step, guys, because this actually boosts up your BitTorrent speed. So you put this value as 500. Then you come down a little further and you change net outgoing port and you put this value as 50. Then you go down further and you have a couple of more changes to be made. You change peer disconnect inactive interval. You change this value to 125. Then you go down and change RSS update interval and put this value as 20. And that's it, guys. Now once you're through with all these settings, you need to click on OK, and then you need to exit BitTorrent. So I'm going to exit BitTorrent and then I'm going to start it up once again. So hope this tutorial will help you to boost your download speed. Now if you have any query, please put in your comments below and I would be glad to answer them. If you like my videos, do please put in your likes and subscribe to my channel. Catch you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.